Good day, everyone. My name is Jeffrey Obano, and with me here is Peculiarity. Today's career promised to be fun, exciting, and a memorable one. I leave you with the sights and sounds. Hashtag 2024 Christmas. Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year. I know he loves me. I know he cares. Whenever I call, he always is right there. In times of trouble, he is my help. Yeah, I know no fear. I know he'll be right there.
This is the presentation of Mary and Joseph. Joseph is holding Mary as Mary is heavily pregnant to the visit in Jerusalem. Baby boy. During this period where she gave birth to the dancing baby boy, the three wise men got a vision, a message telling them that a child is born. A child has The three wise men, yes, they have located the star. Someone saw the star and they located the star, so they want to locate to see where the baby is being born. They are on their way now. This is where they are now. All hail the king. All hail the king. All hail the king.
Receive her king. Let every heart prepare him room and have not just sing and have not just sing and heaven and angels sing. Joy to the world, the Savior reigns. Let men their songs employ, white fields and flowers, rose hills and plains. Repeat the sounding joy, repeat the sounding joy, repeat the sounding joy. He rules the world with truth and grace, and makes the nations prove the glories of his righteousness and wonders of his love, and wonders of his love, and wonders of his love. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
2, 1, go! Stand up, all the champions, stand